I have some interesting news coming up. Keep checking out next week. I think we're going to have some more teasers on that. And let's put it this way: I'm working on a lecture, and I've been working on this lecture for a while, and it's going to be premiered at one of my favorite conferences. Maybe I should say KIDabra. Well, I guess the cat's out of the bag. I'm going to be giving a lecture at KIDabra, and it's going to be on the topic of spring snakes. So on how to entertain with them, and I'm going to have a special video out this week and tease you with a couple of the things. And over the next couple weeks, or the next several months, I guess, we'll be teasing you more with what you can expect to see at KIDabra. Now, KIDabra is a great organization. If you are not a family entertainer, then it might be something that you would pass on. But if you entertain families in any way whatsoever, if you're a public speaker, if you're a magician, a balloon artist, a face painter, you name it, if you perform for people and you want to be better at it, you have to go to KIDabra. KIDabra is a great organization of family entertainers. It's held in Pigeon Forge in late August, and it is amazing. This again is just a teaser on that. We're going to get you more information as it comes. You're gonna be so ready to see KIDabra this year, based on what I'm telling you, because it's amazing. I've been very many times in the past about 6 to 8 years. We've gone. I think out of 8 years, I think we've gone about 6 of those times. If I'd have to figure out the numbers, but we've been going for quite a while, and we have a lot of good information coming our way on that. So again, KIDabra coming up in August, and you'll see me there.